What's up, guys? Kzone6577 here with the video. It's just gonna be an accident video. My dad's already up there. I live right back there, by the way. Yeah, I was just coming home from school. Saw my clothes. School clothes. We gotta take a detour. 366. Fire is right down there. Dad's in front of the post office right now. Told him I'd come down. Yeah, there's a fire right there. You see fire trucks right now. Just gonna walk along these cars here. And that's right in front of the mill. Post office. Somewhere right here. Yeah, we got a fire going along right from that building. There he is. We're going right here. Yeah, we got a right there. Hey, Dad.
There you are. They got him knocked down just tonight. I didn't even see him take no hose up. There, they're going in now.
See? His favorite white bar. Yeah, we were coming right there. We're getting ready to go straight. Delmont comes down. We were like, huh.
I heard whistles and then
I didn't hear whistles.
Forbes Road came up and then turned this way. It's got to be over here somewhere. I looked out the window and saw all the smoke, but oh shit.
Yeah, then I look over there. I was like, Michael, do you see all that smoke? He was like, where? And I see, and it's like coming from right over here. He was like, yeah, what is that? I was like, probably just a chimney or something. Then we see all the lights here. We like, there's a fire right there. And we looked, and we saw all the smoke coming out the window.
Good day?
Yeah.
Oh, this is about. I'm going back. I'm free.
I'm gonna hang around here for a couple more.
All right, don't be too long.
I know.
Zip up your coat.
Okay. Yeah, we got Claire's up there. Is that Claire's? Yeah, that's their light salvage. We got Forbes Road, White Valley Export, Delmont, Medic 1. Remember that's right, guys? Yeah, too. Remember? No, you didn't say that. Okay. There's the Delmont police car. There's that undercover over there. Looks like we're gonna be pulling in some hose. Still some smoke coming out of the building. I'll see if I can get a better shot. Yeah, you can see that coming from there. Nice. Landing on the cover. I never really got close to it. Oh, whoa. Looks like we got another Sardis truck coming right now. I'm just gonna move over here for a second. Yeah, we got White Valley Export Marshall Sardis now. Special Ops. Looks like they're just gonna pull in right there. I've never actually seen this truck in use. So this is pretty exciting for me. I mean, I've seen this truck, but never with the lights on. 78. Oh, it's not 278s. You know, got Chief Truck here, I believe. Still smoke coming out there. Mama P's my favorite pizzeria, and what? Not paid. Yeah, we got a fire here. I'm gonna come over here, see if I can get a shot. Yeah, you can see Delmont. That's the white truck right there. Player Ridge Export, White Valley, Delmont, White Valley, Sardis, Delmont Cup, White Valley, Merseyville Medic 1, Export, and that squad right down there. And as you can maybe see that helicopter up there, maybe. Yeah, right there, that helicopter right there. See that, guys? That's that helicopter right there. I'm only going to hang around here for another couple minutes. It is pretty cool out there. Looks like we got another truck coming up here. Looks like Sardis. It is a bit smoky up here. Looks like you're getting out the pipe pull hose. You're getting out some hose. Got a Sardis truck up there, I believe, stuck. Not stuck, but hey, you know. I mean, I'm just loving the lighting on these trucks. I believe I know that dude right there, but hey, what the hell do I know? Sardis. Lots of diesel burning right here. I mean, a whole lot. Looks like we got Export right there, blowing their horn. How you doing?
Good.
Yeah, I think I might head back. I'll give you guys some tips when I post this video. You can see they're all moving right there. So I said Merseyville. Well, I would like to stick around here until they're finished, but that's not a choice. I'm just gonna. Oh, okay. They got this all open. They got the foam and shit. Well, looks like I'm gonna go. We got a ladder. First dual ladder coming up on scene here. Who is this anyway? Swear to God, that's Monroeville. Unit. Wait. I don't know who that is. Beautiful lighting up here. Washington Township Fire Hall here. Ladder coming in. 102. Yeah, everyone is on. I hope everyone is on scene. Delmont, right? White Valley. Here. People coming down here about to quit another ladder. Sorry. And see all that lights there. All the smoke died down a bit though. Yeah, I wonder what caused all this. Well, I think that's going to be all for today, guys. Hey, it's only been 10 minutes, feels like an hour. Well, my dad wants me to get back. Oh my God, homework to do. It's a Friday. It's the weekend. TGIF. Just gonna walk in the snow here. Yeah, we got like a couple inches of snow, as you can see. Yeah, we got a fire here. Last time there was a fire here. You can see traffic backing up there by the house. Yeah, last time we had a fire in this area was down in actually Export. Apartment fire. Delmont took their ladder. I know why they don't have their ladder here, because they're gonna keep it because they only have an engine squad and that ladder left over. Oh, that ladder that we saw going that way before. That's Delmont's, if you haven't guessed. I put it in the title. Well, anyway, we're almost back. Yeah, if you couldn't tell, I was running down here. Ran down. Yeah, my bus had to take a detour up through 66. Way back down there and come over. Yeah, I had to cross. I had to cut through some traffic. Ran up, almost slipped on some ice here. And yeah, it doesn't even look like anything's going on over there. Let's see some smoke. Oh shit. Going through the bar parking lot right now. Rolf Sovereign. Good guy. Oh. Damn, this is some thick ice. Damn, son. All of this is ice. That's why there's not many cars here. Yeah, you could see some lights over there. There was a channel 11, I believe channel 11 or 4. These helicopters, yeah, you can see I was running down here. My dad probably walked like a normal being. But I was running and I didn't want to slip. Holy crap. Well, that's going to be for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, most importantly, please subscribe.